she's opened. Let's go. Chris, what did you think?
Wow. Blacked out. I was like an out-of-body experience.
We are so excited to ride Pantherian. Pantherian! 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 It's time to go ride Pantherian.
For real.
Wow! Before we ride Pantherian, there's one very important game that we must play. Live action Crossy Road! Look both ways, but oh, we actually already started crossing. Is this Pantherian?
I'm not ready.
This didn't used to be a NASCAR tunnel, for sure. This has always been a temple themed to a panther. He stopped on Pantherian. But while we're here, Chris, what did you think?
Wow. My favorite, other than Wildcat and Velocicoaster, is Storm Runner. So this is my kind of ride. This has a little bit of everything that I like from three of my favorites.
Oh no! Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
That was well worth the wait. Holy mackerel.
Where do we rank it?
Number 2.
Number 2? He looks so derpy. I love him. Round 2 on Pantherian.
Blacked out.
He was gone for at least 5 seconds.
I screamed. We ran around that corner where people say they blacked out. I don't remember, I was like an out-of-body experience. I came back in the second portion of this around the corners and I was like, oh, okay. That's nuts.
Whoa! It's Rapterra time! Rapterra in row 3 is actually not nearly as bumpy as the other rows. I had put this right in between Gatekeeper and X-Flight. That was one of the best laps I've gotten on that.
I'm not going to change my ranking on it, but still a very good addition to the park. That first element, and then you go screeching back to the side. Oh.
I agree. That first element is easily the best element of the ride, but the whole thing hauls through the layout, man.
This hill.
There's some good floater on there, for sure.
I did not get floater airtime on that last time.
I'm getting gnarly J.J. Abrams lens flares right now on you. We're about to brave the metal detectors. This is your 100th.
It was my 100th.
I'm so sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Like getting punched by a gorilla.
It does hurt in your knees. I do agree with that. But it's an RMC and I'm an RMC person.
That, without a doubt, is the best lap I've ever had on Timbers.
First of all, so much different at night. This was the first. I think I rode this 3 times last time I was here. None of my extremities hurt.
Yeah, it's usually, this is a pretty painful ride, but that was...
Usually my thighs after this, I'm going, ow. I wear this shirt with pride.
We have 2 more objectives tonight. Get a lap on Dominator, and then get 1 more lap on Pantherian, which is somewhere over there. Batman Night Flight is really good value. I think the train just went past. I couldn't see it. We're next in line for Pantherian. British dude, like 3 rows over, leans over and taps me and he goes, "Oh, you YouTuber, bruv?" Well, yes, but I have 5 entire subscribers. So I told him, I'm like, "Oh, no, I'm just a guy." His son points to my left, El Toro Ryan, just right behind us in line. He's just like me, for real. And then the British guy, he's like, "Oh, like you two could be twins, bro."
Insert photo here.
When you go to hotels, always make sure you deadbolt the door. It's very important. Oi, bruv, you a YouTuber? Yo, props to the King's Dominion crew. They literally hung all of these overnight. We were here 12 hours ago and these were not up yet. That's crazy. Good on you guys. Pop off. My favorite ride in the park, Wave Foundation Testing Facility Outreach Command Center, Flight of Fear.
And now clear, make sure after your 7 straight, hold on tight and enjoy the first flight.
It was very fascinating riding that and Joker's Jinx within 24 hours of each other because I would say Joker's Jinx is smoother, but like I'd still take this one in a heartbeat because it's got theming.
The theming, oh my gosh, I love it.
Kings Island's got the queue line. This queue line is nerfed compared to that one. Still pretty cool. You gotta ride it at least once when you're here. That's my take. All right, she's opened. Let's go. Not to brag or anything, but you know, I did get a picture with El Toro Ryan right here. Revolutionary technology. The wheels are so cool. Time for the best wooden coaster in the park. Let's go. Grizzly is unironically a top 10 Woody.
It's so good.
The airtime hills going into the tunnel, you're literally standing. It's literally like Phoenix at Knoebel's level, just standing airtime. The final turnaround, the laterals as you go through that are insane. Like this is such a good Woody. It has no right being as good as this.
Wait, but they stole that from Kings Island.
We had a really good lap on Timbers last night, so we were really feeling it. We're like, oh, well, let's get really advanced. Let's go all the way to the back. We're ready for it. Timbers is too much in the back and it's too much in the front. The center of the train is delightful. If you've got any gut at all, you need to sit in the middle, or you're just gonna get bruised.
I'm a back person or a front person.
Yeah, but this one's middle, in the same way.
Yeah.
Wow. Chris has never done the Eiffel Tower before. He's collecting his bearings.
Oh, but like, okay. Sheet metal.
Whoa! I'm not sorry. It looks better without Anaconda. It looks so much better, so much prettier. Who do we think is in the casket? My money is on King Dakar! Or Richard Zimmerman. Or both.
Do you think they'll accept my Six Flags meal plan at this Wawa?